this video, I'm going to show you how to put this design onto a notebook. In this case, I'm using some glitter sticker vinyl using my ScanNCut DX. And so let's begin. Okay, I want to put a design on this book here that I got at the Dollar Tree. So I'm just going to use, okay, so the first thing I'll do is I'll come up here to pattern and I'll just look through these different patterns and see if there's any that I would be interested in putting on there. This one might be interesting. And so, okay, I've got some glitter vinyl, sticker vinyl that I'm going to use for this. So I am going to just bring in all these different sets and just add the different parts. And let's kind of put them in order. And then we'll select them all. So we will select these. And then I'm going to edit it, and let's group them for right now. Then I'm going to resize it and make it four and a half inches in width. And then I can go ahead and I'll actually delete this one. And then I want to ungroup these so that they are separate now. Okay, now I'm going to determine the size of each of these different pieces. So this one, I want to cut a piece of vinyl that's maybe 5 by 4.75. And I'll also determine what sizes I need to cut for each of the other different colors of vinyl I'm going to be using in this project. Okay, now I'm putting my cut pieces of vinyl onto my cutting mat and using some micropore tape to make sure it's secured. And I'm loading the mat into my ScanNCut. Okay, I'll click OK, 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 and now I'm going to scan it in. Okay, and then I will roughly move all the pieces into their respective spot. And this one, I have a feeling I've got that I'm going to have to rotate. Okay, and then I want to expand it and make sure that I'm within the border. I can maybe bring this down a little bit more. And that looks good. And this I'll put in the middle. And this I'll put in the middle. Okay. And okay. And okay. I will cut. Make sure my half cut is on. and then press start. And then we'll select finish. Then I'll hit the home key. OK. Then I will eject my mat. And I'll remove all the pieces of vinyl now from my cutting mat, and then I'll take them to my workspace and weed them. And then I'm going to put the protective cover back on my cutting sheet. And then we'll take this over to my table and weed these. And now I'm going to weed all of these different pieces, which is getting rid of all the unwanted pieces. And now I'll work on putting the pieces onto the transfer sheet. And I'll carefully remove the release paper from the transfer sheet and transfer the cut pieces of vinyl onto my notebook. And the last step is putting the coconuts onto the palm tree. And then here's the design on the notebook. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye!